Welcome this video create depth idea for your gardening. Depth is a wonderful way to elevate the aesthetic and functional of your gardening. Term is it's into a space when you can relax, entertain, and enjoy nature. For maximalists design to bring multi-level construction depth can creating to various trust and budget. This aesthetic explored some innovation depth idea to transforming your gardening into a outdoor have multi-level depth. Multi-level tap is idea for gardening with an eyes of soft landscape by creating different type you can add depend to your gardening each level can serve a unique purpose a dining area on one type, a log space on an other, operate to fireplace zoom on a last level use construction material as finish to define each select metal and design various enjoy depth with budget in such incorporating build in set into your depth design maximize space while add a contemporary touch. Branch can be designed to build seamless with the depth or start out as a functional to instead functional for set with height story contemporary with your you can keep top or gardening accessories. Natural wood finish for a classic and seamless look. Choose natural wood finish for your depth. Wood look and redwood and demo together make theme perfect for outdoor use. Enhance the natural aesthetic by complement the depth with pots plants, a pergola or a with complete depth with lights. Depth can seen transforming the embrace of your gardening depth expand its usable into the even hall consider red LED lights. The edge stone stop for soft lights or latching can create a cozy invite atmosphere perfect for gardening or unique night outdoor fold app. Fold app are a various for smart gardening. Those detail gardening level platform can be piece in your gardening provide and demo space for long or dining surrounding the depth with growing stop stone or lush gardening to create a harmonious look. Depth with a hot tub. If you look to add a touch of lush of your gardening, introducing a hot tap into your depth design. The depth can be built to surrounding the hot tub, provide switch and design frame, add provide screen to tall plants, area they create a scene sub like outdoor kitchen or bring depth turn your gardening into a entertain paradise with depth that an outdoor kitchen to bring. Install a built-in gallery compartment and storage space with make cool and provide more construction paid with to bring style to create a level security hub. Maximize depth for a modern and unstingy look for maximizes design depth simple line natural color, or cut free layout can create a scene. Elements outdoor space page maximizes depth with layout main interest plots and minimizes furniture to main interests a clean aesthetic. Rustic Rustic depth embrace natural weather material to create a choosy reclaimed wood finish and hub craft elements to add the design climax the rustic look with natural stone part away. Thank you.